circumstances Haitians face right now.
The government of Jamaica, do they not have the right to decide who comes to the country, who stays in the country?
So, yes, but remember, every decision that any state organ takes must be in strict adherence with the Constitution and the rule of law.
Malene Alain response outlines the paramount importance of adhering to legal frameworks and international obligations in Jamaica's decision regarding asylum seekers. She acknowledged the government's authority to regulate entry, but emphasized that such decision must align with constitutional principles, rule of law, and international legal obligations, particularly in the context of migrants seeking refuge. Her statement reflects a nuanced understanding of the delicate balance between national sovereignty and human rights, urging for a holistic approach that respects both security concerns that the